Hello, welcome. Today I got this super spicy noodles, and it's called JungJung spicy noodles. So I'm gonna mix it together, and let's eat it.
Oh yes. Did you say hi to my JungJung's friends? Oh, hey. Did you miss me? It's so hot, still hot. Come to daddy. Ah. Mexico, Coreano, no, no, and kimchi. Did you subscribe and like? That's what I thought. I'm just kidding. I'm just. It's about lunchtime. Did you guys eat? No? Welcome. Knock. Say ya. After work, I went to the market. I bought this too. I don't know why I want some today. Yeah. Señora, por favor. Señora, por favor, taco. Wow. Pew. Psych. It's not spicy. I just miss my mom, okay? It's not spicy. The reason I'm crying, I just miss my mom, okay? Make sure you try it too. Spicy. I should have got the milk.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Did you say bye to JungJung's friend? Oh,